Backyard Mythbusters. Backyard Mythbusters. Do whatever the Backyard Mythbusters do. Can they eat fried chicken? No, they can't, because they'll get fat. Look out. Here come the Backyard Mythbusters.
Dun, dun.
Hello, this is Backyard Mythbusters. Here's Dan, here's Drew, and I am David. Welcome to the first Mythbuster. So Dan, what is our problem today?
Today, we'd like to find out how many licks does it get to the Tootsie Roll center of a Tootsie Pop.
The center of the Tootsie Pop is in the inside of that wrapper. This flavor is blueberry. This flavor is red. Or, actually, I think it's called red raspberry, but you know, red. Cherry, whatever. So, to get to the center, you have to open the wrapper and lick the lollipop until you get to the Tootsie Pop center.
Lick, that's a fun word.
Now that we have the lollipops unwrapped, slowly lift them toward your mouth using a drag rate of 3.5. Stick your tongue out and lick it to try to get to the center of the Tootsie Pop. The core of it is where you get a nice chewy chocolate. As the contestants lick, we study the organisms of the lollipop. The lollipop consists of a biochemical feature, which features a chemical reaction causing the lollipop to be hard but liquid when you lick it, and a chewy center of chocolate with the Tootsie Roll. Contestants show their lollipops after 18 licks. Let's observe. The lollipops look almost identical as when they started, but the layers are slowly dissolving, causing a lollipop to dissolve. As you can see, the layers on the lollipop are slowly defading to get to the Tootsie Roll. How many licks does it take to get to the lollipop? Licking is a hard task. Contestants are very winded and are getting some aqua from the refrigerator, which happens to pour water into a cup so that you can drink. After 100 licks, these are what the lollipops look like. As you can see, the shell of the lollipop massively decreased as the chemistry of the saliva in Drew and Dan's mouth caused it to break down.
And yes, we did lick the lollipops with our tongues, not our butts.
As you can see, the contestants take lots of work licking their lollipops.
It's true. No lie, Mr. Josephino.
As you can see, the lollipops are starting to show some brown as the contestants lick them.
Just like that turd I dropped last night. Oh wait, best not be talking about that one now.
Oh my. Dan, Drew, and David all concluded that their hypothesis would equal about 236 licks to get to the center of a Tootsie lollipop because of the formula of making the lollipop. The chemistry breaks down easily by saliva. So we guessed it would take 236 licks to get to the center of a Tootsie Pop. We were obviously wrong.
We are now at 234. Ready? 1, 2. We were wrong.
A technique that Dan and Drew have developed is a hyperspeed technique. This really deteriorates the shell of the Tootsie Pop. Let's see it. The Backyard Mythbusters finally concluded that their experiment did the trick. It took 372.9 licks to finish the center of a Tootsie Pop.
That's a lot of saliva in the mouth.
Closed captioning's in part to you by
Beast Productions, Beast Productions, Beast Productions. 1, 2, 3, clap.
And
Ravens Kid 420.
this myth is declared
Busted!